Hello to all finch lovers! You might think that once finches become adults, they no longer need any special care, and all you have to do is give them food and water. But the truth is, if an adult finch isn't fed and cared for properly, it can quickly lose energy, suffer feather loss, and even become infertile. In this video, you're going to learn step by step how to feed and care for your adult finch just like a professional breeder, keeping it healthy, energetic, and always ready for breeding. Stay with me until the end, because in the final section, I'll reveal several expert-level secrets used by professional breeders. Section 1. Understanding the needs of an adult finch. Adult finches are no longer growing, but they still need energy, vitamins, and minerals to maintain health and reproductive strength. Their diet must be balanced so they don't become overweight or weak. The three main needs of an adult finch: a fresh, balanced diet, proper light and temperature, and a calm, stress-free environment. Section 2. Proper daily nutrition for adult finches. The foundation of an adult finch's diet is a high-quality seed mix such as millet, flaxseed, and commercial finch mix. But to achieve real health, you need to upgrade the mix. 60% white and yellow millet, 20% flaxseed, 10% Niger and hemp seed for energy and shiny feathers, and 10% mixed seeds or vitamin supplements. Also give fresh fruits and vegetables twice a week: apple, lettuce, grated carrot, spinach, etc. Pro tip: fresh, mold-free food is essential. Stale food is a silent killer. Section 3. Clean water and cage hygiene. Clean water is just as important as quality food. Adult finches must have fresh, chlorine-free water every day. Provide a warm water bath at least twice a week to keep their feathers and skin healthy. Dirty water or stained containers are one of the main causes of intestinal and fungal infections in finches. Section 4. Light, temperature, and living environment. Adult finches need 10 to 12 hours of proper light each day. If they don't get natural sunlight, use a UV bird lamp. The ideal temperature is 23 to 27 degrees Celsius, 73 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and sudden temperature changes cause stress and disease. Their environment should be quiet, with no direct air from fans or heaters. Section 5. Preparing for breeding season. During breeding season, adult finches need extra nutrients. Starting 2 weeks before pairing, provide bird-specific multivitamins like Nectin E, calcium and phosphorus for better egg quality, and boiled egg or soft food once a week. This boosts feather quality, strengthens fertility, and improves the health of the eggs. Section 6. Daily care and cage maintenance. The cage of an adult finch should be cleaned twice a week, especially under feeders and water dishes. Finches are sensitive to dust and droppings. Every 2 weeks, you can use bird-safe disinfectants like Exoltite or AvaSafe. A clean cage equals shiny feathers, better appetite, and a happier bird. Section 7. Common mistakes in feeding and care. These are common mistakes many owners make: too much hemp seed, obesity, and reduced fertility, keeping finches in dark or noisy environments, stress, feeding stale or moldy food, poisoning, not giving supplements during breeding, weakness, and infertile eggs. Any one of these can easily harm your entire flock. Section 8. Golden tips from professional breeders. Always use 2 feeders, one for dry seeds, one for fresh food. Change the cage's position occasionally to reduce stress. Use special vitamins during the molting season. And, most importantly, consistent feeding equals consistent lighting equals long-term health. Well, now you've learned how to feed and care for your adult finches, just like a professional breeder. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Finch Academy, and comment below what foods your finches enjoy the most. And don't forget to watch the next video, Natural Ways to Boost Fertility in Adult Finches. As always, I'll be waiting for your comments at Finch Academy. This is Finch Academy, where every breeder becomes an expert.